Hi Stampers! Tonight I'm sharing a sweet little heart-shaped Valentine. I made it with the Endless Love Stamps and Dies, and this project is really simple and quick and easy to recreate. It's a really short video, so don't go anywhere, stay to the end, and let's get started. So here it is. It's a little heart-shaped, very, very cute. And the supplies, not very many. So we have a card base that's going to create our heart. And it's 8.5 by 4, and I scored it right in the center. And then I already cut out a heart, so you need another piece of white cardstock that's about 4 by 4. I have a scrap of white, a scrap of strawberry slush, and a scrap of Made with Love Designer Series paper. So we have the dies and the stamps. I'm also going to use a little bit of bubble bath ribbon. I have strawberry slush ink and a little bit of bubble bath ink. And these are the dies. So we got the great big heart die with the little dots around the edge. We have the little banner. We have the double arrow and the smaller heart. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut out these pieces right here, and then we'll stamp on them. So I have my scrap of white. I'm going to cut out the little banner. I have my scrap of strawberry slush. I'm going to use the double arrow die, and then the little heart I'm going to cut out of the Designer Series paper. So we'll be right back. I'll fast forward, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so there's my little banner. That one die, cut out the 2 arrows, and there is my heart. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our card base, and I'm going to take the big heart die, and I'm going to line it up just like that. So you see I have the little opening right there, and that's how I'm going to cut this out. So be right back. Okay, so this is what you end up with, your little heart-shaped Valentine. If you have any little pieces in here, you want to knock those away. And we're going to eventually glue this to the front, which will hide the little fold area. But first I want to stamp on here. So let me bring in something new. So this is this new Stampin' Up! Positioner. I really love it. I just got it yesterday. First time using it on video with you guys. But when I made my first Valentine, when I stamped it inside, I didn't get a good image, so I had to go back and kind of fix it. So I thought, what a perfect time to show you guys how to use it in one way. You can use it in many ways. But we're going to go ahead and use this positioner. And I think it's so cool. I really, really like it a lot. So on the inside here, I know we're jumping ahead, but I want it to say Valentine's Day. The front's going to say happy, and inside it's going to say Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay my stamp down where I want it to be. I went ahead and put the magnets on here. And then you take this little piece, and you have these little divots, and you line it up just like that. Whoops, got it backwards. Want the Stampin' Up! Showing. So you put the little holes right at the top. And this is really cool because it's like on a spring. So it's not touching anything right now. So if I wanted to change it up, I could. But this is where I want the stamp to be. Actually, I think I'm going to move this over a little bit. And then you just push down. And that picks up your stamp. It picked up my paper too, but that's okay. I can fix that. And then I'm going to ink this up, and I'm going to ink it up in strawberry slush. I'm just going to ink it up. And then this is what's cool about it is you can move this around, and because it's not touching until you push it down, you have time to change it to line it up exactly where you want it to be. Really simple. Now this isn't the only way to use it. I'm just showing you a really quick and easy way. There's many ways, many things you can do with it. So I'm just looking to line this paper back up. And that looks really good to me. So see, I laid it down. It still didn't even make any ink marks on there. It won't do anything until I push it. So I like it. I'm going to go ahead and push this down. And I have a perfect stamped image. Very cool. I really, really like the new positioner. I don't know if it's a funny name, positioner, but anyway, it works great. So the positioner, you can get it now if you're a demonstrator. or they have a promo going on now. If you join Stampin' Up, they include that in your beginner package, in your starter package. So you can get it free just by signing up. If you need more information, want to join my team, just let me know. But let's get back to this pretty, pretty Valentine. Okay, so we got the inside done. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue the heart that we previously cut out, and I'm going to glue it to the front. So I'm going to go ahead and put glue on the front of this Valentine. And then I'm just going to attach the full heart to the front, and you can line it up with the holes that are there so it's all see-through. It's really pretty, just like that. Okay, so that's your Valentine heart. Now you can decorate it any way you like. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this heart in, and I'm going to put a dimensional on that and pop it up. And I'm going to bring in our little tag, and I'm going to stamp happy on that tag. Oh, I got two of them. And I'm going to pop that up. So let me bring in my dimensionals again. And I'm just going to put a dimensional on the one side. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue. This part's going to touch the heart. Okay. And then I'm going to put our arrows down. Oh, I'm going to stamp one more thing here. So let me bring in the little heart stamp. And up here I'm going to stamp some hearts. So that fills that space up, really pretty. And then we have our arrows. So we can put them wherever you want. So I'm going to put one there, and I'm going to put one there. And I'm just going to put a little dab of glue on each end of the arrow. You could use a glue dot too. That works great. Okay, we're going to make a bow. And I'm also going to put a couple of sequins up here. And then for the bow, I'm going to use my little bow maker, because I'm going to make a really teeny tiny bow. So it's really easy to use it, this bow maker. And then we'll bring in a glue dot and attach that bow. And you know what? I'm going to stamp a couple hearts inside here before we finish. So I'd love to know what you think about this little cute little heart-shaped Valentine. I'm going to stamp this one in Bubble Bath. So go ahead and leave me a comment below. And if you're watching me on replay, please say hi so I know you were here. And we are almost done. All right, let's take a peek. Very cute, very cute, very cute. So I am having a local class with about 12 ladies this weekend. So I'm going to make them all a little Valentine. We're going to make Valentine cards, but I'm going to make them each a little Valentine too, to put right by their seat. So I think these are so, so cute. I hope you enjoyed this cute little heart-shaped Valentine. If you like it, don't forget, let me know in the comments. If you're watching me on replay, please say hi so I know you were here. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And thank you so much for stamping with me tonight. I'll see you next time. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.